Welcome to the Next Gen Auto Hub. The Toyota Tacoma 1995 marked the beginning of a new era for Toyota's compact pickup trucks. Introduced as the successor to the long-running Toyota pickup, also known as the Hilux in many markets, the Tacoma was designed specifically for the North American market. While its predecessor had earned a reputation for toughness and reliability, the Tacoma brought a new focus, balancing rugged durability with modern comfort, safety, and performance that appealed to both work-focused drivers and lifestyle-oriented buyers. Exterior design. The 1995 Tacoma carried forward Toyota's reputation for sturdy, practical designs, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic look compared to the boxier Hilux it replaced. It featured a rounded front fascia, integrated headlights, and a more refined profile that reflected the design trends of the mid-1990s. Available in regular cab, extended cab, XtraCab, and later crew cab configurations, the Tacoma catered to a wide range of customers. Its versatile bed options allowed for both light-duty utility and heavier hauling tasks, while rugged steel bumpers and available 4WD trims gave it undeniable toughness. Interior and comfort. Inside, Toyota upgraded the Tacoma with improved ergonomics and driver comfort compared to the utilitarian Hilux. The cabin offered supportive seats, intuitive controls, and durable materials built to handle work and play. XtraCab models provided additional storage space behind the front seats, while higher trims added features like air conditioning, premium audio, and optional power accessories. Though not luxurious, the Tacoma's interior struck a fine balance between practicality and comfort, making it appealing for daily commuting as well as off-road adventures. Performance and engines. Under the hood, the 1995 Tacoma offered a variety of engines to suit different needs. The base model came with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder producing 142 horsepower, known for reliability and efficiency. A larger 2.7-liter four-cylinder was available for more power, while the top-of-the-line 3.4-liter V6, producing 190 horsepower, gave the Tacoma strong towing capacity and off-road performance. Transmission options included a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic, with either rear-wheel drive or Toyota's capable four-wheel drive system. Driving dynamics. The Tacoma delivered a smooth and predictable driving experience. With an independent front suspension and solid rear axle, it handled rough terrain with confidence while remaining composed on highways. The 4WD models were particularly favored by off-road enthusiasts, offering durability, approach and departure angles suited for trails, and Toyota's reputation for indestructibility. Whether used for light-duty work, recreational use, or serious off-roading, the Tacoma proved versatile. Safety and features. The 1995 Tacoma also highlighted Toyota's growing emphasis on safety in pickups. Dual front airbags were standard, a first for Toyota trucks, along with side impact protection and optional ABS. These features positioned the Tacoma as not only a reliable workhorse but also a safer family-friendly option compared to many rivals of its time. Market position and legacy. Priced competitively, the Tacoma appealed to a broad audience, from contractors needing a dependable work truck to younger buyers seeking a sporty, reliable pickup for outdoor adventures. Its combination of rugged capability, strong engines, and improved comfort made it an instant hit in North America. The 1995 Tacoma set the foundation for one of Toyota's most successful truck lines. Over the years, it has grown into a bestseller, renowned for durability, off-road capability, and long-term reliability. The first-generation Tacoma not only bridged the gap between utilitarian Hilux pickups and modern lifestyle trucks but also cemented Toyota's dominance in the compact pickup segment. In conclusion, the Toyota Tacoma 1995 was more than just a new name. It was the beginning of a legend. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.